Hey there, future millionaires, billionaires, and financially ambitious avocado enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel that is determined to make your bank account as green as your morning smoothie. That's right, I'm your host, and today we're diving headfirst into the sparkling, money-filled pool of 2023, where the rules of getting rich have been updated faster than the latest iPhone. But before we jump into the secrets of wealth accumulation that'll have you trading stocks while sipping on artisanal lattes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of the golden nuggets we're about to drop, and trust me, these nuggets are more valuable than a Bitcoin wedding ring. Getting rich in 2023, it's like trying to decide which champagne to pop first. With crypto, millionaires, tech moguls, and fashionistas taking over, it's a race to the top, and we're here to help you sprint past the competition with style and humor. So grab your monocle, your pet robot dog, and let's dive into how to get rich in 2023. Alright folks, step 1, embrace the unconventional. In 2023, it's not about thinking outside the box, it's about thinking like the box was never there. Take avocados for instance. While your parents might have laughed at spending $10 on a single avocado, we're laughing all the way to the bank or the avocado farm. Yep, I've invested in avocado futures, and let me tell you, my portfolio is looking as creamy as guacamole. Remember folks, if you can dream it, you can invest in it. Whether it's robot butlers, smart fridges that recommend avocado recipes, or even luxury moon resorts, the sky's the limit, literally. Personal branding is my favorite topic. In 2023, you're not just a person, you're a brand. A walking, talking, Instagram-filtered advertisement for your fabulous self. Whether you're a fitness guru, a TikTok chef, or a personal llama whisperer, monetize it, baby. Invest in your passions, showcase your skills, and make sure your online presence is as strong as your Wi-Fi signal. And remember, the more hashtags you use, the closer you are to becoming an influencer billionaire. Hashtag living my best life. Hashtag llama whisperer for life. Welcome, my friends, to the Cryptocurrency Comedy Club, where we turn laughter into cold, hard digital cash. In 2023, it's not just about hodling, it's about lolling to the crypto bank. I've invested in the Raffle coin, rolling on the floor laughter. I earn a tiny fraction of a coin whenever someone watches a cat video. And with the internet's obsession with felines, I'm basically the king of virtual coins. So folks, if you're a meme connoisseur or a dad joke extraordinaire, it's time to shine and get those virtual wallets jingling with digital gold. The future is now, my friends, and in 2023, the line between reality and science fiction is thinner than the latest smartphone. So say hello to your new best friend, the robot butler. This is Botsworth, my AI companion and the keeper of my avocado toast. And here's the kicker, you can earn big bucks by investing in robot butler services. From delivering pizzas to walking dogs, these bots are the real MVPs of the gig economy. Next, what you can do is become a realtor. Becoming a realtor is one of the fastest and most profitable ways for millennials to generate wealth quickly, said Marcus P. Miller, CEP, a financial advisor at Mainstay Capital. You can become a licensed real estate agent by completing the pre-licensing education required by your state, passing the licensing exam, and then being hired or joining a brokerage. Selling homes and collecting commissions as a realtor allows you to make money quickly. Aggressive investing entails taking on more risk to generate higher returns. Michael Ryan of the financial literacy website Michael Ryan Money explained, this could entail investing in stocks, options, futures, or other high-risk assets. Before you begin, ensure you've done your homework and understand the risks. Then comes the aggressive investing. Aggressive investing entails taking on more risk that generate higher returns. Michael Ryan of the financial literacy website Michael Ryan Money explained, this could include investing in stocks, options, futures, or other high-risk investments. Before you begin, do your research and understand the risks. One such trend that kicked off in 2022 was digitalization. Someone said, the world is a digital book, and Zola taught us how to read it. Well, no one actually said that. That's just a dialogue from the movie Captain America, the Winter Soldier. Awesome movie, you guys should definitely check it out. Well, coming back to the point, you can build your own digital company. This could be e-commerce, selling a course, or going the influencer route. CJ Ocklist of Olive the Money explained, it may require a lot of hustle or a lot of time, but if you focus on the fundamental premise of starting a business, answering the question, what problem am I solving for who, you can get there. There's always freelancing. To begin, you must identify the skills or expertise that you possess that people are willing to pay for. This could be writing, graphic design, web development, or any number of other skills. Emma Salveson, founder of HR and management firm The Hub Events, explained, "You can then use websites like Upwork or Freelancer to find clients who require your skills. By taking on freelance work, you can quickly earn significant money if you have the right skills and a good reputation. If you have expertise in a specific field, you could become a consultant and offer your services to companies looking to tap into your knowledge." Ryan suggested, "Many businesses are willing to pay top dollar for specialized knowledge, and you can start earning money quickly." Another great way for millennials to generate wealth quickly is to offer coaching or tutoring services. Miller said, "You can specialize in various fields, including business, fitness, nutrition, art, music, and others. To get started, millennials should create a website to showcase their expertise and find ways to market their services via social media and other platforms. Starting a small business could be a great way to generate wealth quickly." Ryan explained, "You can start a business in any field, from web design to pet care, and begin earning money as soon as your business is up and running." With travel expanding and recovering post-pandemic, the best way for millennials to build wealth quickly through 2023 will be those that capitalize on travel trends. According to Dr. Enoch Omololu, founder of the Canadian finance website Savvy New Canadians, in particular, short-term rentals on sites like Airbnb and VRBO will grow in popularity as travelers seek out local boutique experiences rather than hotel rooms that all look the same. High inflation and interest rates have combined to make most investments prohibitively expensive and limited in terms of quick returns. Nonetheless, one asset class provides a higher value floor and excellent resilience during periods of high inflation: real estate. Residential rental properties, in particular, are such a good deal that even owning a single property or renting out a single room in your home can easily pay most or all of your mortgage payments, while also allowing you to build equity in a high-value asset. A financial advisor can provide you with personalized advice and guidance, working with you to create a plan to achieve your unique financial goals, while also assisting you in preparing for the unexpected, said Matt Gilleni, Bank of America's head of consumer client management. They can also give you access to educational tools and resources to help you make more confident decisions about money management and future investments. Lean on the knowledge and don't be afraid to ask questions. The ease of making money in any given year can depend on various factors, including the state of the economy, the job market, technological advancements, and individual skills and opportunities. If you're looking to make money, it's important to consider current trends, market conditions, and opportunities available in your area or field of interest. Keep in mind that making money often requires effort, skills, and sometimes even a bit of luck. It's recommended to do thorough research and consult with financial advisors or experts with up-to-date knowledge about the current economic landscape of 2023. Freelancing has already made a significant impact on the way people earn money. However, I can provide insights into how freelancing might have continued to shape the way people make money up to 2023. Freelancing platforms and online marketplaces have allowed individuals to connect with clients and employers worldwide. This has expanded the potential client base and created opportunities for people in regions with fewer local job options. Freelancing offers flexibility in terms of work hours and location. This has allowed individuals to balance work with other commitments, such as family or personal interests, providing a level of autonomy not always possible in traditional 9-to-5 jobs. Freelancing often offers a wide range of specialized skills, from graphic design and programming to content writing and digital marketing. This diversity of skills contributes to a dynamic economy and allows businesses to access specialized talent as needed. Freelancers often work on multiple projects for different clients simultaneously. This can lead to a portfolio career where individuals diversify their income streams by offering various services to different clients. This approach can provide financial stability through multiple revenue sources. Freelancers are essentially running their own small businesses. This has encouraged many to develop their personal brand, market themselves effectively, and even scale their freelancing work into larger businesses with employees and contractors. The nature of freelancing requires individuals to stay up to date with the latest industry trends and technologies. This has led to a culture of continuous learning and upskilling as freelancers strive to remain competitive in the market. While freelancing offers many benefits, it also comes with challenges. Freelancers often need more job security, benefits like healthcare, and a consistent income stream. They must manage their taxes, retirement plan, and business expenses. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work, including freelancing. As more businesses became accustomed to remote collaboration, the demand for freelancers who can work remotely and independently likely increased. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more outrageous tips on how to make 2023 your most prosperous year yet. Until next time, this is me signing off with an avocado-filled smile.